Hey everyone guys, welcome back. And in today's tutorial guys, I'll show you basically how to change your language on your Uber Eats app. So whether you prefer a different language or you just want to, switch for better understanding, this guide will help you do that in just a few steps. So let's get started, okay? So first things first, guys, you want to actually open up the Uber Eats app on your phone. And well, unfortunately, the app itself doesn't have an inbuilt language setting. Instead, you want to just follow it just follows the default language set on your phone. If you want to actually change the language, if you're in your iPhone, okay, you just want to go to your phone settings and then just navigate to general and then just select language and region. And if you're on Android, what you want to do is you want to go to system. Okay, in your settings, go to system, choose languages and input. Okay, so from both of these places, what you want to do is you want to update your phone's default language to the one you actually want. And once you have basically changed this setting, guys, you can open the Uber Eats app again, and you'll notice that the language has been automatically updated to match, your phone's new default. There you go, guys. Changing the language on Uber Eats is actually as simple as adjusting your phone's language settings. So if you found this tutorial helpful, guys, don't forget to like, guys. Don't forget to comment. And guys, of course, make sure you smash the subscribe button so you get notified for the next video.